I have my table because I am dressing it with the most beautiful hand-painted ceramic stoneware that you know from Temp-tations that we can always use in the oven up to 500 degrees, that is microwave safe, that is refrigerator, freezer safe, that we can do it all in here. But now we have the beautiful dinnerware, the Essential Dinnerware Set, 12 pieces, 4 complete place settings. Let's go through your options right off the bat because the price here is amazing. We're saving over $19 on this sale price. So, first of all, let me just show you. The Pauffetti right here, you know, is one of always the most popular. So here's your Pauffetti. We're getting 4 18-ounce bowls, 4 salad plates, and 4 dinner plates as well. Then in the confetti, this is the Old World confetti. This has all the colors of the Old World. And now you're gonna follow me over here and we're gonna hit it. So here's our Old World yellow. Next to that is Old World taupe. We've got Old World gray available for you as well. Down below, we have Old World blue and an Old World green, where it started it all. Floral lace, we've got our gray, floral lace taupe, that elegant floral lace black, and the floral lace yellow. Down below here, I have this incredible inky blue in the floral lace. Here's your floral lace red and floral lace cranberry. We also have, and listen up everybody, if you are a woodland fan, we've got our woodland slate blue, woodland gray. Down below we have the woodland white. This is actually the set that I own, and the woodland butter cream. Get this, we've got the doodles in the house. We have the doodle black, doodle do gray, and then that gorgeous doodle do red. And here we're gonna talk seasonals for you. This is the seasonals reindeer. Look at how beautiful that set is for the holidays. Next to that is the seasonal in the poinsettia, and then over on the end is the winter whimsy with all of the awesome characters that Temp-tations always does for us. And then when we come down below, here is our patriotic, ships in time for 4th of July. Here is all aflutter. Look at how beautiful those spring colors and the butterflies are. And last but not least, the fabulous palm. Miss Tara Tesher is joining me.
Hello,
Hi.
How are you? Wow,
Great.
perfectly done. And then we have buttercream and white in what we call our Believe pattern.
As you
so
can
that
see.
has the gorgeous honeycomb, it has the bee detail, and the humble bumblebee. We love that story, right? It always reminds us again that he was never supposed to be able to fly, that his wings were too small for his body, but he perseveres.
This is so cute.
Love this. There's actually a little romance card that comes inside here. So if you're thinking about shower gifts or wedding gifts, things like that, and you want, of course, the Believe, that's going to be the perfect way to do it. But let's talk about the dinnerware for a while, because it's not just another pretty plate. I designed these so that you can bang them around, put them in and out of your dishwasher. You don't have to hand wash these. These look like your fine china, but you don't have to treat it like that. This bowl, these plates, they go in the oven up to 500 degrees. You want to reheat that piece of pizza, you can tuck it right under the broiler, which is fantastic. Microwave when you want to reheat something, and then of course the fridge and the freezer when you're just kind of living your day-to-day. But these pieces will take you from appetizers, dinners, desserts, straight on through.
And you could actually do, you could bake in here as
Yes.
well, because up to 500 degrees in the oven. So use it for so many things. But I do love the fact that we get 4 complete place settings.
Yeah. I'll show
and
you
if
here with
you
the,
want
with
an
the
8-person, you can get a few different sets, because the great thing is that for $4.17 a piece is the price that we're at right now. Normally this is a $69 value, and that's already an incredible price, but right now we are at $49.98. Yes, talk to me. So Pauffetti, we already knew it. There's only 200 remaining. It is super popular right now.
I'll make it quick. Here's that beautiful coupe shape. So the reason why I designed it is so all of your sauces, your gravies, everything that you want to stay put will do that. So again, I love the fact 4 of your 10.5-inch dinner plates, 4 of your 8-inch salad or dessert plates, and then 4 of those 18-ounce bowls. A lot of times you can't even find pieces that coordinate and mix together. You're usually buying just one set. With Temp-tations, we literally pack it up, service for 4, all 12 pieces come right to your door.
Yeah, take advantage now with this great price.
Amazing.
Because some people, you know, some people would need a complete 8-person setting or 12-people setting, and you can do that right now at this price, because this is durable, this is strong, dishwasher safe, which is amazing, and they're just so gorgeous. gorgeous. Usually, you know, we have plates that are like, whatever.
Right.
But now we could have the durability and the beauty.
Yeah, and they're all individually hand painted. So whether it's your holidays that you're looking forward to, you know, maybe you couldn't afford holiday china. It was like one of those things that was just like not in your budget. For $4.17 a piece, the fact that you could have dinnerware that you use for that season is phenomenal. And then I love also the patriotic. And I know we lost this actually, our olive flutter in the item we were sharing with you earlier, but we have it in the dinnerware that coordinates back.
Look at the elegant palm
is carved into the side of the stoneware, and then that color is saturated, and then that is a true white background there. So that is so fun for summertime. Love that.
Summertime, springtime,
summertime.
Everything.
Summertime.
We're ready for it.
And then the doodles. So roosters are always good luck. So I love the idea of maybe if you have that farmhouse chic or you know someone who loves that look. I love mixing and matching these. You have that gorgeous red, and then of course that sweet gray that you're seeing there, and that has kind of that cobblestone that runs all the way around the edges, and then of course that hand applied accent of that beautiful rooster in the inside. And then the black is
the curved,
yes,
like
the silhouette of, the different plates.
So
and
pretty.
I love that you mentioned that. We didn't just take a round plate and throw all the patterns on it. Each set is designed to go and work with the collection.
Totally.
So woodland, which I heard you said you have the white.
I have
love.
the white woodland.
I have an advantage, so I have the white, the gray, and the buttercream, and I mix and match them. But the fact we have white woodland, I'm shocked because it sells out in everything. So if you want that true, beautiful white dinnerware or gifting it, this is definitely the way you're going to want to go.
And the white woodland is the most popular overall right now. We have 1,800 remaining in the white woodland. Now, this is the slate blue woodland. We have 1,400 sets remaining for this one. This is the gray woodland, 600 sets remaining. And the buttercream woodland, 1,400 to go around. And in the white woodland, 1,800 to go around in that one. So pretty.
Then our floral lace. This is actually carved into the stoneware and then the color saturated around it. Beading that runs around the edges. So what I love about floral lace, to me, it's from everyday to holiday. And you have your myriad of colors, whether it's old world floral lace. There's truly a design and a pattern for everyone. And that's what this whole dinnerware is about. It's meant to be used.
And the old world, obviously where it all started. But just pick your favorite. Now you get to dress your table so beautifully, but then use them for so many other things. $4.17 a piece. It's a truly great value. H267068 is your item number. Thanks so much,
Thank
Tara.
you. I'm going to learn all
later
about her mascara, and I'll see you guys
yeah, we're
back
gonna
with
go
the
talk
gloves.
makeup
We're
right now.
Makeup.
But David's going to talk to you about a big deal from Kuhn Recon. So
it is indeed a